In this video, I'm going to talk about how to create the landing page with the scripted based content locking landers. It's not that hard. Suppose we are about to create the content locking script based website and the lander based on content locking. Suppose our niche is cash app. Let's try to create the landing page as accordingly. So first of all, let's go to the Google, type for cash app money generator. Okay, we can see several content locking websites based on the topic cash app. So let's try to find new one. IDM, so it's creating the issue. So let's try the next one. Like let's get one of the site which is content locking based cash app website. Okay, this might be the example. Sure, it is the one which we are looking for or not. Some keyword which going to get the exact site we are looking for. If we don't find any, for the example, I have already bookmarked one of the site like cashappmoney.club. Okay, suppose this is the landing page which is scripted. So if we have to create like this type of site, simply we have to copy this link. And cashappmoney.club, this is the script based content locking website. So if we have to create this type of website, we simply have to save the site. Like we have to copy this first, and there is a software called WinSTrack. Okay, we have to download this software first and install it. After that, we have to click on next and give the name like cash app demo site and click on next. Since it's a default one, we don't need to set anything up. So we put the cashappmoney.club. This is the URL, and we click on next and click on finish. So it gives us the whole file or the whole site scrapped, and we can use it with our own link. In background, it will be running. So for the example purpose, I have already scrapped one of the site. This one is the scrapped site. So let's see how it looks like. Yeah, this is perfectly good. And so let me show you the example how it looks like. Give any of the name here and choose the device and put the user design. I think here is only the 750 options. Some lockers have options like 250, 500, 750 to 1000 in a way. So let's click on continue, and the script works automatically. Like it shows it's been verifying your ID. It's working on progress. Let's wait for it. Just showing how the script works. Yeah, it's working. Okay, and at the end it asks for the verification, and we have to put our link here so that whenever user converts the offer, we get paid. So suppose if we click here, it some of the offers, some of the lockers pop up, and some of the offers redirects. Yeah, we can see here win 750 cash app for free. Okay, so we have to put our affiliate link here. on the section. Sorry, it's been redirected from here. So so now, yeah, at the end it scraps all the file, and we have to click the finish, and we find the file and we edit. Okay, since I have already done this process, so let's come here, and we have to edit our file. Okay, we have to create for this, since I'm using the Windows 11 and I'm getting some issue here, so let me just find the Notepad++. You can use Notepad or any of the other text editor, and I have to edit the index file here. Where is the index? Yeah, we can drag it here. So simply we have to place our link. The exact place is here. There is a verify image. Okay, yeah, this one is the place that's been already put the locker of someone else where I grabbed it from. So we have to make the lander like this. So for this we have to go to our content locking network, CPA network. For the example purpose, I am going with the OG ad. Okay, so I'm going to the offer section. No offer section, I have to go to the tool section and the content locking section, where we can create the content locker. Okay, so create the first content locker. So where we have to fill some of the information for the reference purpose we can get. So it's a cash app $750 free giveaway demo. Okay, this one, the description part, it's just for the reference, either you would like to keep or not. Download. Okay, redirects the offer, remove the locker, redirects the, let's say it redirects after the offer completing. Yeah, we will talk detail about it on the next video. So if we are giving anything else, then we can keep the resources link here. And on the advanced section, how many conversion required to get the users to unlock, like we have to put, like I generally put 2. You can go with 1 either, and we don't need to change anything else from here. And the appearance looks like this, and on the mobile version we see our offers coming like this. So simply we have to put our little bit of description, like get free cash app money to your wallet. Okay, and here it's okay to go with it, or you can, if you want to change something else, you can change here. On the mobile part also the same, you just simply have to put the description. And also if you like to sorry, this one is the title and this one is the description, and it's all. Now click on create locker. URL, it should be like https:// okay, yeah, we have created our cash app link here. Okay, so we see our locker, here, and our locker URL, we can change any of these. Okay, we can change any of this, and this is the locker we recently made. Let's see how it looks like. Yeah, okay, so it's good. Okay, so On the notepad plus section, we have to change this URL, since this is someone else URL, and we are going to put our URL here. Okay, just paste it here and Control S means save. So finally we have created and saved our locker with our for the test. We have to go with the link. Since it's not been hosted yet, I'm going to show you how to host on your own hosting. So let's choose any of the name for the random name. Okay, so let's see, does it work properly or not. We have to see our locker we just been created at the end. Let's wait for a moment. It's the script is working. Yeah, finishing. It's about to end. Yeah, so now it shows the verify now button. Suppose if we click here, then it must be redirect to our URL, our locker. Yeah, this one is the recently we have created. Yeah, it's done. So now we have to zip this and put it on the our hosting. Okay, so let's just select all and zip this, compress as a zip. What's that? Yeah, index is here. So yeah, it's been zipped. Or else, suppose if this option is not available, then just delete it. Just right click it and create a zip one. Okay, let's keep the name as Cas app. Select all, just deselect this one and just drag it here. Okay, just drag it here. So the file is compressed inside it. And you should have a hosting first. I forgot to mention, you should have a hosting first, or you can host this file to the on the last video I have mentioned the GitHub. You can host it on there. So for the demo purpose, I am just hosting here. Okay, let's just remove this all. Okay, where do I delete this? First of all, I have to select these all files and click on delete. So skip mean I don't want to see on the recycle bin as well. So simply you have to upload it and find out where is the file is been located. So this one is the file. Okay, so I'm uploading it to my hosting. So it lights green. Yeah, it means it's done. So we can see here. So right click it and extract it. Okay, so after that, either you would like to keep this one or you can simply delete this one also. Okay, so this is the main hosting. In this hosting I have several hosting accounts, so this one is for the only for the demo purpose. So this domain is I have already opened somewhere else here, or I'm not seeing the exact name here. So there is the name of my okay, so the main domain, since this is the main domain, I forgot the exact URL. So yeah, here we go. This one is the landing content locking based scripted landing page. Okay, it's up and running. If any user comes here and follows these steps, then I get paid, since the locker is mine. You can do the same. Okay, you can share this to your friends, family, or you can promote through your profiles. Yeah, later on we will talk on those topics. For now, hope you got the point how to create the scripted based content locking website, or the content locker scripted site. Okay, it's all for today, so let's meet on the next tutorial.